Look at this absolutely breathtaking self-adhesive wall tile. If you're dreaming of a home makeover that's effortless, elegant, and durable, this is your answer. These tiles are a revolution in interior design. They're waterproof, so you can place them in your kitchen, bathroom, or any area that needs a splash of style while staying practical. Imagine a sleek, modern backsplash behind your stove, or a spa-like wall in your shower. These tiles make it happen. What makes them stand out is their fire-resistant quality. Yes, you heard that right. These tiles are built with safety in mind, offering peace of mind wherever you place them. Plus, they're incredibly easy to clean, just a damp cloth, and all spills vanish. Think of how perfect they are for a family kitchen or a busy workspace. Installation is a dream, no special tools. No glue, no grout, just peel and stick. You can have a stunning new wall in just a few hours. And the best part is, they're designed for longevity. Once applied, they won't peel or fade. You get years of beauty without the upkeep of traditional tiles. The look is versatile. Whether you're aiming for a minimalist chic aesthetic or a vibrant pattern design, these tiles adapt seamlessly. You can mix and match colors, create geometric patterns, or keep it simple. Every tile is designed with precision, so once applied, it looks like a professional installation. Your walls deserve a glow-up, and with these self-adhesive tiles, you get luxury on a budget. They're affordable, stylish, and designed to last. Don't settle for dull walls. Bring life, color, and safety into your home. Try these self-adhesive tiles today, and watch your space transform before your eyes.